I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the backup now, so close Steam and pause Automatic Cloud Sync for the game you'll save. Next, find the game folder under Steam Library/SteamApps/Common. That's where game files live. Make sure your destination has enough space and is formatted for large files. Use an external drive or a secondary Steam library folder. Once done, copy the entire game folder and include the Steam apps/app_manifest**. file to preserve install metadata. Now perform the copy step carefully. Use a reliable copy tool or explorer and preserve the exact folder structure so Steam recognizes the game later. Don't forget user data for saves and the workshop content if applicable. Copy those folders too. After copying, verify integrity by comparing folder sizes or running checksums on a few large files. This avoids surprises. If any file failed, retry the copy for just those files. Then re-verify before proceeding to restoration. To restore, move the backed up game folder and its app manifest file into the Steam Library/SteamApps folder. Launch Steam and click Install on that game. Steam will detect existing files and quickly verify them instead of re-downloading everything. Make sure to run Steam's Verify Integrity of Game Files if Steam flags missing assets. If verification fails, recopy the problematic files from your backup, then rerun verification. A common fix: ensure file permissions and ownership match the user running Steam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.